Whoa, this beast! The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG is tearing it up on that gnarly off-road trail. Packing around 577 horsepower, this bad boy muscles through those muddy ruts like it's no big deal. The tires are absolutely chewing up the terrain, and man, it looks wild. The crowd's totally vibing, all eyes locked in like it's a live-action movie. Straight-up savage performance from a ride that's built tough, looks sharp, and doesn't give a damn about the bumps. Total boss move.
方向打反了，大哥。他这个对汉港的啊，右手 V8 的，这是 V8 的啊 ，G63 这是不是 G500？啊。加油！加油！对，右舵，咱们是左舵，他是右舵。香港人右舵。 他在享受啊，他在享受发动机的轰鸣声啊！大家觉得这个大机声浪的大哥，你在香港加的加油了吧？我去啊！这油穿水的。
Holy smokes, this modded Suzuki Samurai is going full beast mode on that slick, steep hill. Even though it's compact, it's a straight-up savage, climbing through the mud like a champ. The tires are spinning like crazy, smoke's pouring out, and the crowd in orange is totally hyped. Power-wise, we're guessing around 100-120 horsepower. But with that lift, gnarly tires, and sheer grit, this little monster's killing it. What a gritty, badass climb. Respect to the driver for sending it hard. Dang! This hardcore off-road buggy is straight up tearing through that swampy mess like a mud monster. Light frame, monster tires, and tons of ground clearance. It's splashing and thrashing like it owns the pit. That mud spray is next level, and the engine's screaming like it's got something to prove. Estimating around 150 to 200 horsepower, but with that crazy power-to-weight ratio, it's flying through like a boss. No hesitation, all throttle. This rig is built for chaos. That crowd must be losing it right now. Oh man, this Tatra 813 Colos is a straight-up land monster. Just look at it crawling over that trench like it owns the earth. with a wild 8x8 drivetrain, insane independent suspension, and a beastly diesel engine pushing out around 355 horsepower. This thing isn't fast. It's unstoppable. Watching the front wheels flex and climb is so satisfying. It's like watching a mechanical tank do yoga. The crowd's loving it, jaws dropping left and right. This rig isn't here to race. It's here to crush, crawl, and conquer. Guts. This modded Jeep Wrangler is squeezing through that gnarly rock canyon like a boss. The walls are tight, the terrain's brutal, and this rig's crawling up it like it's nothing. Packing around 285 horsepower from a V6 engine, 4 WR dive locked in, and those beefy rock-crawling tires, it's built to conquer. The spotter's locked in, the driver's all in, and the whole scene's got serious adrenaline junkie vibes. This ain't your Sunday trail ride. It's full send rock crawling at its finest.
I swear.
Dude, this Rivian R1T is on a whole different level. It's literally riding on 3 wheels, crawling up that insane slick rock canyon like some kind of electric spider. With a beastly 835 horsepower from 4 electric motors, this all-electric truck ain't just powerful. It's smart as heck, thanks to insane traction control. The crowd's frozen, cameras rolling, everyone holding their breath like it's about to flip or fly. That's not just off-roading, that's edge-of-your-seat high-voltage madness. Totally epic.
That's impressive.
This Jeep Gladiator Rubicon is flexing hard in the foggy forest. Those headlights are blasting through the mist like a spotlight on a movie set. Sitting on beefy mud-terrain tires with crazy clearance, this rig's built for business. It's rocking about 285 horsepower from a V6, locking diffs and torque that eats trails for breakfast. One rear tire's hovering, but it just keeps crawling like a champ. This ain't just trail riding. This is straight forest domination. Absolute unit.
In the corner of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause like I'm taking. Don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in my zone. I'm looking for somebody. I'm looking for somebody.
Whoa, this Can-Am Maverick X3 just sent it out of that rock pit like a total savage. Skid plates scraping, front wheels popping, and the driver's still cool as ice. Rocking about 200 horsepower, full-on 4W drive, and long travel suspension, this side-by-side is made for insane climbs like this. Those tires are hooking up like Velcro, and the engine's screaming for glory. The crowd's losing their minds. Jaws dropped, phones up. That's not just off-roading. That's stunt-level madness. Straight banger move.
That didn't go well.
Sheesh! This fully built Jeep Wrangler is clawing its way out of that gnarly pit like a champ. With long travel suspension, meaty tires, and insane approach angles, this rig's built to crawl where others cry. Pushing around 300 horsepower, locked diffs and 4W drive dialed in, it's grinding out of that hole like it owns the rocks. The driver's cool as a cucumber, just feathering it through, while the crowd up top is stunned into silence. That's straight-up elite wheeling, clean, mean, and totally savage.
That's gonna be a challenge.
Dang, this Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is deep in the mud bath, and loving it. Half the rig swallowed by that thick, nasty sludge, but the tires are still throwing down like it's war. Packing around 285 horsepower, 4WD locked in, and those chunky mud tires, this beast is built for the slop. Engines growling, wheels are churning. It's a full-on off-road grind session. This ain't no mall crawler. This Jeep's out here showing the forest who's boss. Mud life, baby.
It's the Wrangler. Watching Rivian.
Holy smokes! This badass Jeep CJ7 is tearing up the jungle trail, front wheels popping like it's ready to fly. Estimated at around 300 horsepower, the rig's screaming through dry leaves and narrow muddy ruts, leaving a trail of blue smoke behind. Dude, the way it flexes and shakes through the gnarly trench is straight savage. Bystanders are just standing there like, whoa, this is off-road chaos at its finest. Makes you want to grab your gear and hit the mud with the crew, no cap.
Hay otro lado feo y te la veo.
Dude, this yellow roll cage buggy number 123 is straight beast mode in that deep trench. Rear tires spinning like crazy, dirt flying everywhere, engine screaming like a banshee, probably pushing 400 horsepower easy. The driver's gripping that wheel with full send energy, while some dude outside legit has his foot inside trying to help balance. It's wild. Bro, this is pure hardcore off-road action. Mud flying, engine howling, zero fear, just full throttle chaos and adrenaline pumping. Hell yeah!